with the another video of partnership, in which a few more cases we are going to learn. With the help of that, we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so let's begin. Here in this case, it is clearly told that when new partner acquires his share in a particular fraction from an old partner. What does that mean? That suppose A and B are the partners and C is the another partner which is going to be admitted in the partnership firm, and now the C, the new partner, is going to get from A 1/4 of his share. मतलब A जो है अपने हिस्से में से 1/4 ऑफ हिज शेयर का मतलब का निकाल करके देगा. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट पार्टनर, द न्यू पार्टनर B is also going to give some fraction like 2/6 of his share. So in such cases, how we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, that we have to learn today. Okay, so let's begin that with one question. Here it is given A and B shares profit in the ratio 3:2. Okay, A and B shares profit in the ratio 3:2, and A surrenders. They are going to admit a new partner, that name is C. Okay, A surrender 1/5 of his share. मतलब A जो है अपने हिस्से का 1/5 of his share he is going to provide it to the C, and B surrenders 2/5 of his share in favor of C. Means both the partners A and B already their share was 3/5 and 2/5. इस हिस्से में से 1 कितना देने जा रहा है? 1/5 देने जा रहा है अपने हिस्से का. Of means multiply. In with the help of multiplication we have to take out these shares, and after that we will remove that share from that old partner. A कितना देने जा रहा है? 1/5, and B how much is going to provide it as 2/5. Okay, suppose, so how much A will provide? Clearly it is not mentioned. What we have to do? We have to do the multiplication and we have to take out the ratio, that how much A is going to provide, because only the proportion, only the fraction is given, that 1/5 of his share, अपने हिस्से का इतना देगा. कितना? That we have to calculate. Okay, so 3/5 का 3/5 is old share, and 1/5, 3/5 का 1/5 कितना आएगा? 3 1 जा 3, 5 5 जा 25. इतना देगा. 3/25 from his share he is going to provide. और B कितना देगा? 2 2 जा 4, 5 5 जा 25. Now B कितना देगा? 3/25 and 4/25. Now this is the share. Now we will calculate the new ratio of A, B and C. Now we got ना that A कितना देगा, B कितना देगा. Now we are going to take out the ratios. So let's write somewhere that how much A is going to provide. A will give 3/25 and B will give 4/25. Okay, this is the ratio. Now we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, we have already calculated how much A will give, how much B will give. Now new share of A कितना देगा? Okay, so already their old share was 3/5 और उस शेयर में से वो कुछ देने वाला है 3/25. इसको C को calculate the amount. 5 and 25 का LCM निकालो, it will come 25. Okay, 5 and 25 का LCM निकालो. Is it? Okay, so how much it will come? 5 और 25 का हम लोग LCM निकाले, it will come 25. 5 के टेबल में कितने बार में 25 आता है? 5. Okay, so 5 5 का 25, 5 को मल्टीप्लाई किससे हो जाएगा? 3 से. कितना आया? 15 माइनस कितने बार होता है? 1 बार में। 3 का मल्टीप्लाई 1 से होगा, 3 1 जा 3, कितना आ गया? 12/25, the new share of A. Now new share of B कितना आएगा? कितना शेयर था उसका? 2/5 इट वॉज ओल्ड शेयर, और माइनस कितना दे रहा है? 4/25. So 4/25 क्या करोगे? माइनस कर दोगे. टेक आउट द एलसीएम. 5 and 25 the amount will come 25. Okay, 5 कितने जा? 25, 5 जा, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा इससे 10 माइनस 25 कितने जा? 25, 1 जा, 4 का मल्टीप्लाई 1 से हो जाएगा. So it will come 6/25. So now the new ratio of A and B is 12/25 and 6/25. Now C's share. What will be the C का share? C's share. A ने कितना दिया? 3/25 प्लस B ने कितना दिया? 4/25. एलसीएम करोगे 25 आ जाएगा. 4 और 3 कितना हो गया? 7. It will come 7/25. So the new ratio will be 12/6/7. Okay, what will be the new ratio? It will be 12/6/7. This will be the new profit sharing ratio. I hope that these all topics are clear to everyone. One more last case is left. That after that we will start the next concept of this chapter. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, one more question. Okay, see the case. Here question is A and B are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 3/2. Now admitted C for 1/4 of the share. They are going to admit C for 1/4 of the share, and 1/4 of the share C gets 1/8 from A and 1/8 from B. Directly लिखा है ना, from ही that C share 1/8 कौन देगा? A. 1/8 कौन देगा? B. So what will be the new ratio? So A's new share, what it will be? Already the ratio was 3/5, and now he is going to provide 1/8 minus 1/8. Take out the LCM. 40, 5 कितने जा? 40, 8 जा, 3 का मल्टीप्लाई 8 से होगा 24 माइनस 8 कितने जा? 40, 5 जा 5. सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, कितना आएगा? 19/40. ओके, नाउ B's न्यू शेयर. ओल्ड शेयर कितना था? 2/5. ओके, 2/5 था, इसमें से कितना दिया? 1/8 दिया. 5 और 8 का एलसीएम 40. 5 कितने जा? 40, 8 टाइम्स, इसका मल्टीप्लाई 8 से होगा 16 माइनस 8 कितने जा? 45 जा, 1 का मल्टीप्लाई 5 से होगा. कितना बचा? 11/40. ओके, सो 19/40 A का रेशियो, 11/40 B का न्यू रेशियो, और C का कितना होगा? इसका 1/4 है. 40 करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. इट विल कम 10/40. Okay, so their new ratio will be 19/11/10. This will be their new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Okay, so these were the few cases for calculation of new profit sharing ratio. I hope that you like this video. If this will be helpful for you, and you will understand the concept through this video, and you will able to solve more and more questions by the help of this video. So try. Many of the questions are given in the NCERT and TS Gariwal book. You can try as many questions as you can, and if you find any difficulty, you can drop a message in the comment box. Okay? Okay, thanks.